Welcome natin ngayon ang ating cameraman. Welcome, Tommy, sa ating garden. Look at this.
String bean paradise.
Yeah, string bean paradise. That's right. This is my paradise. This is my paradise. La, 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 la. Harvest tayo para may makain si Tommy.
Even any up there?
Huh?
You're gonna leave some?
The small one. The small one is, you cannot harvest the small one. So, yan. Para may makain yung ating Tommy mo, you know?
You can bring a basket.
And that's fine, I have a hand. You see my dark armpits?
There you go.
Honey.
Get close up.
Ito na, o, diba? Oh. The only problem is I'm very short. And I'm very, very short. This one too, look, oh. It's on top. You're very close to my face. Ayan. Pwede na ito mabinta ba? Binta. Can we sell this, Han?
Probably, I guess you could.
Next year ba? Can we start selling string beans?
Go for it.
You think it's not? Is it okay? Han?
Yeah, what the hell?
Like selling it instead of giving it to friends? Huh?
Whatever you like to do. I don't know how much money that makes selling string beans, but what the hell?
String is expensive.
I have no idea. I just buy them when we need them. And these aren't like regular string beans, so how many people buying these?
Okay, this way. Right here. Dami, dami. Dami, dami. Where? I don't see
Nothing
anything.
here.
Huh?
Nothing here.
There's nothing under here? There
No.
is? Oh, there
That's
is some.
baby.
Oh, look,
They're
oh.
little.
Look, oh, there's some here. Oh. Hello, there's tomato here. Can you hold it? Can I go here?
Go ahead. You planted stuff, you should know. If you're going to step on it, you should know where it is.
Oh, there's something here. Under
It's a
here.
bug.
Huh? What a bug.
That's good.
There's more here. Alright, there's a lot of ants. Got black ants.
Yep.
There's nothing in there. Nothing in there, you see.
Look, I see one there, but it looks small.
It's small. I'm not doing the small one. Okay. I'll get this one.
You just leave it there. I'll be there for the next time you do it.
Okay, we're gonna go to the other side. Oh, there's one more here. I don't see. Okay, let's go.
Okay, you go to the other side of where?
Where?
I see them.
This is really nice. More string beans.
Yeah, taking that purple one.
I'll get it.
Another purple one.
It's right here. Hala. Okay, there's more here. Oh, look, hala. This one here. Dami. Dami, good.
Imagine you go to grab one of these purple ones and it's really a snake.
Hello, Han.
That'd be funny as hell.
Han, you know what? Somebody told me you have to be careful because the snake might be hiding here.
Could be.
So, you know, because there's a lot of snake. You know this area. Snake everywhere. Uy, uy, uy.
I got one here.
Where?
Right here?
Oh, yeah, you're right. Take it. Take it to the limit. Idea. Oh, that's really small, huh?
I don't know, I used to take it.
You stay there. I'll go here. Hala.
It's a big one right there.
Where?
Right under you. Like, look.
This one?
Yeah, it looks big.
That's small.
Okay. It's skinny, but it's big.
No, that will go big. Dami dito eh. It's a lot, honey.
Okay.
In the back. Oh, there's one more here.
Okay.
Bye mga loves. Hindi, that's so close. Honey. Look, ang dami nating harvest ngayon. So that's it. Thank you. So, Tami want to go out as usual, no? So, sinamahan ko lang siya kasi gusto niyang lumabas para mamili ng we wanna spend money. It's still a lot of apple here, oh. Ang daming apulan doon, no? Apple, oh. Daming mga apulan. These people are going to the orchard. If it's busy in this area here in this weekend, the road, they're going to the orchard. So finally mga loves, andito na tayo sa grocery store or sa Walmart, no? Kasi dito po talaga si Tami palagi. So habang nandito na tayo, so wag natin kalimutan kukuha ng ating hapin, no? Diba? Kailangan kasi natin yan at dagdagan natin yung nabili natin para naman marami tayong extra. And obviously, ang unang pinuntahan ni Mr. is yung pagkain ng pusa. What are you looking, Sir Tami?
Let's see if I can find another primavera.
Primavera. Okay then. I think if you didn't have it, then stop.
This is primavera.
Primavera to me, all of them.
Oh, you gotta read them.
Oh, don't buy too much. You have 3 down in the house.
Okay.
Ish.
That's all I got.
Do you eat this?
Yes. Oh. Some of them are Tuscany, some of them are shredded. You gotta read them. They're all called medleys now. They used to be labeled.
So now where is the primavera you see? Okay. So ngayon tapos na kami dito. So mag-move kami sa lugar kung saan yung sa mga pang-aso. At andito na naman tayo sa mga treats nila, no. Hindi din ito basta-basta yung presyo nila ngayon kasi sobra talaga. At saka yun, nag-isip-isip lang siya kung alin ba talaga yung kukunin niya. And then titingin na naman siya sa iba. Ganyan yan si Tami kapag mamili ng mga pagkain ng aso at pusa. Iniisip-isip niya mga loves kung alin yung magustuhan ng aming mga alaga. Ito siya mga loves, so
Canned food.
dog food na. Wala, hindi pa ito matatapos. Next year pa ito matapos. Kapag nasa Walmart kami, ito yung ganap talaga. You know, makikita ninyo yan. Pagkain yan halos ng mga alaga namin. So, sana, tapos na kami dito. So, nagpunta na naman kami, no, sa pagkain ng mga tao. Kasi doon tayo sa mga hayop at mga personal care. So, yun. So, dito tayo sa mga pagkainan. At si Mr., tingin-tingin lang ako sa kanya mga loves. Susundan ko lang siya. Dahil po, hindi ko alam talaga kung ano yung bilhin niya dito. So, yun. Sunod tayo. Tara, kung ano ba itong nakuha. Ay, cheese yung nakuha niya. So, yun. Mahilig din yan sa cheese. And
So,
then
na
yun,
yung
lumabas na kami.
aming
Buong. There's a lot of empty thing here. They don't open. Did you notice? They only use that for holidays. So, 375 mga loves. Nakakaloka itong aming 375. Oh my goodness. Seriously, honey? So, yun mga loves. Tapos na kami dito. Alis na kami kasi nakakatakot kapag si Tami mag-grocery. Nakakatakot. It's very scary when you do grocery.
Why is that?
Because it's end up like crazy.
What do you buy exactly?
And what do you think it is? So yun mga loves, halos sa mga pagkain ng alaga lang namin. And then ilagay lang namin ito sa aming sasakyan. Pagkatapos, tara, alis na tayo dito. Loves, finally makauwi na kami. Uuwi na kami kasi the hard part is to take everything out here. Blocking my camera. How dare you? Dare you how?
My face.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Off you go.
Hard part, mga love. Pinakamahirap sa buong buhay ang mag-grocery and then ilagay sa loob. Annoying.
What's that?
All the treats.
The treats? Yes.
don't like styro egg. It's so annoying. More coffee, of course.
Sure everything out of there?
Okay, this one here. Go. Okay, block here, buddy. You go now. So now my husband is busy. Busy bee, like a bee. He is busy. What are you doing, darling? So this is go to our bathroom. Okay. So there's more treats here. This is go to the bathroom. Mga deodorant ni Mr. Grabe si Mr. mag-deodorant. Uy, halos kainin na lahat. Wala na, pagkain na ito. At saka ito, ilagay ko to sa ating ano. Busy? Can you dance, Han? Hi, sila, busy, la, chilit, chicken, hand dance. Tila, litchita, lili. Honey, tila, I see Andrea on you, honey. Do you dance? I see Andrea on you. He's gonna dance, guys. He's dancing because his wife is singing. Roxy still. Okay. Roxy, where's Dada? Linkin. Han, come on, Roxy.
Yeah, I agree. Absolutely right, Rob.
He's confused now, guys, because he's thinking of what dance steps he's gonna do. Come on. Why this is going upstairs?
Because it's first floor.
Kasiyahan ko talaga mga loves kapag ganito, kapag talagang ganituhin ko si Tami, ang saya-saya ko. At nag-gets na pa niya. Salamat po sa inyong time!